After Great Bass Players, we're working on way further in our Sound Innovations book. We're on number 188, which is called Sea Shanty. And it's basically like a theme and variation. So it's the melody one time, and then they change it with more different rhythms and different bowings. And then they change it again with even more different rhythm and different bowings. But even more important, they change the speed. So the first time, they want you to play andante, which means like walking speed. And then the second time, they want you to play it moderato, which means like medium speed or moderate speed. And then the last way is allegro, which means they want you to play it fast. So let's try playing this together. There are repeats, so let's add the repeats into it, okay? So here we go, a sea shanty. Oh, and I forgot. We're just gonna worry about part A for now, so skip the part B's. Here we go, part A.
Sea shanty.
Hope you had fun playing this really fun song and doing the theme and variations with the different speeds, rhythms, and bowings. Happy practicing. Bye.